Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. Please hit that subscribe button right below so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this one here today. If you're on YouTube and want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit and a full description of everything that is on this unit, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival to the dealership. It's the 2019 Ram 3500 cargo van, and this is the extended cargo van, which is on the 3500 chassis, I'm sorry. And as you can see on the front, we do have the black front bumpers, which is a really nice feature on these cargo vans because, for example, if someone would accidentally dent this piece right here, you do not have to change the whole front bumper. It's actually a 5-piece front bumper. So you can just change that to replace that section, which definitely is a cost savings for a business out there, especially with someone else driving your van. Also, this particular vehicle does have a steel wheel. It's a 16-inch steel wheel. It's got a real nice heavy grade LT tire on this. As you can see, it does have the nice black bumper molding along both sides of this van to just assure yourself that you're no longer getting dings into the side of the van. And with this being a high top van, this is a factory high top van. It gives you plenty of interior height, well over 6 foot interior height, which is another plus when it comes to the cargo van market. It does have a factory backup camera on this particular van. And one of the cool features, and the reason that we can get that such large interior height of over 6 foot, is because this particular van is a front wheel drive van. So with it being a front wheel drive van, it no longer has the drive shaft running to the rear wheels to make the vehicle move. Therefore, the cargo van can sit lower to the ground, which makes it a lot easier to access and exit the cargo van, especially when you're doing it over and over and over again throughout the day. It definitely helps with the joints getting in and out. And not only is the interior height so large, the cargo door opening is large. So absolutely can you get a skid of whatever it may be directly in this side door with no problem whatsoever. Not only can you get that skid in the side door, for example, because of the total width of this van, you can also get one in the rear. So you could put up to probably 3 pallets in this thing if you have to. In the rear of the cargo van, starting at the bottom, you're going to notice we did put the upgraded floor mat on the bottom here throughout, just to protect your flooring, help for ease of sliding stuff through. Just an overall nice feature to have. And also what we did, we put an upper lower sidewall on this just to dress it up a little bit, as you can see there, and that runs along both sides. You're going to have tow hooks throughout the bottom on this floor mounted. There's 5 on the passenger side, and I believe 5 on the driver's side, just to tie stuff down. Another really nice feature when traveling down the road. Also, another option we put in this is the rear LED cargo light, which is a really nice feature. Considering there's no windows in these vans, you definitely get some light coming in and out. This vehicle is also equipped with what we call the interior convenience package. One of the big features you get with the interior convenience package is this storage bin located right above the driver and passenger seat. So you can store whatever it is, maybe your clipboard, some receipts, whatever it may, organize a little organized spot up there, which is nice to have, especially in a cargo van. As you can see, if you're in the back of in the cargo van, you do have a nice pass-through that runs directly up to the driver and passenger seat. This driver and passenger seat are they're fully adjustable, and they do have lumbar, which is a really nice feature. Also, this particular vehicle does have the power mirror group. So not only does it have power mirrors to operate your side mirrors, as you can see right out there, it also has power folding mirrors when trying to get into them tight spots just by a push of a button. Power windows, power locks. This particular vehicle does have cruise control, which, believe it or not, in the ProMaster cargo van is an option. So that's something to watch for. It also has hands-free capability, so you can program your phone directly into this radio in this particular van, and you can simply hit the button while you're driving down the road and answer your phone call, and the phone call will be going through your speaker system, which is a great feature if you have drivers running down the road, or maybe even yourself if you just don't want to get distracted while driving down the road. You simply hit the button and you're having the conversation. No more reaching for your cell phone. You also do have hand controls on here to operate your radio on both sides of the steering wheel. And as you can see, like I said, it just has a touchscreen upgraded radio. So you do have your AM FM capability, you do have your media capability. This also has a compass, or if you want to leave it on compass, and like I said, you can pair your phone directly with this radio. And guys, keep in mind, this is a touchscreen radio, so everything can be operated just by touching the screen. 12-volt DC charger, USB plugs. This van has it all for a cargo van. Nice floor. It's non-carpeted, so if you just want to spray it out or blow it out, whatever it may be, you do have that capability. And guys, keep in mind, over 6 foot tall interior height. I'm 6 foot tall, and I bet you there's 3 to 4 inches above my head right now while I'm walking straight through. And the doorway, guys, is just at 6 foot entrance. So there's plenty of height, plenty of entrance when it comes to that. Just a really nice cargo van. This is the 3500 extended, so you're also going to get that extra height, or not height, but width on this van to haul as much of your cargo as you need. Again, guys, this is a 2019 Ram 3500 ProMaster extended wheelbase, front wheel drive. Best in class when it comes to that front wheel drive. One of the only manufacturers out there that are actually putting a front wheel drive vehicle when it comes to cargo vans, which is great when it comes to snow, ice, and all types of different weather that we run into here in Ohio. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new videos just like this one here today as soon as it arrives at the dealership. And for the guaranteed best price, make sure you always shop us at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And we have a wide selection of these ProMaster cargo vans, so please make sure you go on our website, and if you don't see it on there, please give us a phone call, because just because it's not our website doesn't mean we don't have one coming in tomorrow. And again, for always the guaranteed best price, shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.